Ukhozi umaphiko olugula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni nobuciko nomnyunyiyo egcwele emizibini nemafini icula ingoma emnandi yayahlukanisa unyaka omusha komdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza sezidololozela sathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo sokhozi FM sisibhalelwe isidadada soju ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
Bona mbukele ekhaya igama lami uMuzi Mthabela umfana kaSibongile noTshitshi benobhekisisa. Namhlanje sizobona ubaba oyingqalabutho la eKapa lodumo. Awukwazi ke kufika eCape Town ungezi la eGugulethu. Ubaba uFani Jason oseshuthe ithombe ongumthwebuli oyingqalabutho umthwebuli oyithombe osesebenze umsebenzi wokuba iphotographer iminyaka engaphezulu kwama50. Iningi lethu lalingakazalwa mina kwasekusela iminyaka eminti ukuthi ngizalwe. Kodwa ke ngiyajabula ukuthi namhlanje ngizobona ubaba osesebenze umsebenzi omuhle kangaka oseshuthe eKapa oseshuthe eSouth Africa yonkana oshuthe eLondon with the royal family oshuthe koRwanda oshuthe eKosovo ethatha ethwebula ithombe kodrum lezi ithombe lezi mangabe uvula imagazine lezi ithombe phakathi nendawo ukwenzile lokho kuyintokozo kakhulu kumina ukuthi ngikwazise kuyena ngoba ngifuna ukuthi sixoxe kabanzi ukuthi ubani njengoba si celebrate iminyaka engama30 enkululeko kwakunjani kuqala kunjani namhlanje ubona ukuthi mhlambe yini engenziwa abantu abasha ukuthi bakwazi ukubhekana nezinselelo zesikhathi sabo hamba nami ke sihambe siyobona ubaba uFani. Baba kuyintokozo kakhulu kumina ukuthi ngithola ithuba lokuthi ngihlale phansi nawe ngiye ngathi masincokola la eqaleni wathi ngikubuza ukuthi usebenze iminyaka emingaki usebenza as a photographer wathi wena 50 years. That was 3 years before I was born when amaqala as a photographer nothi uthi mawuzalwa kuyintokozo kakhulu kumina ukubona ngamehlo umsebenzi wakho sesibonile kakhulu ziningi izinto osuzenzile bengizocela nje ubaba angithi nje iqaphu ngokuthi ubani wazalwa kuphi kwakunjani mayikhula.
Nami ngiyathokoza for the opportunity unika yona
Baba
mina ke ndizalelwe eHeathfield up eKapa.
Yeah.
And then ke ngo-1960 some move were forced removals from Heathfield saze eGugulethu. It was during the Group Areas Act.
Yeah.
So we were forcibly removed from Heathfield saza so hlala la yaseyinyanga West. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And mina ke ngufani Jason igama.
Baba Fani Jason.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bazobuza abanye abantu ukuthi ubaba mhlawumbe usithola kanjani isibongo sika Jason?
Isibongo I think I got born before my mother and my father was married.
Okay.
And my father he didn't tell his wife makachinja isurname yomntanakhe.
Yeah.
But yeah, I won't be fussy about that because mina ndinentombi and ndacelwa ngunina ndanitshate naye wangicela unina but this is the only child in family yethu.
Yes.
Can we keep this child on our surname?
Yes.
And that, I don't have a problem because ubaba naye was not fussy, he was just happy that he had a son.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Umsebenzi ukuba umthwebuli wezithombe ngalezi yayinkathi zobandlululo kwangasona umsebenzi wawujwayelekile kakhulu kubantu abamnyama. Yini eyenza ukuthi ubaba mhlambe yena agcine esewuthandile lo msebenzi wokushaya izithombe?
If in Cape Town we understand.
Yeah.
In Cape Town was not a place for abantu abamnyama.
Yeah.
In Cape Town was more a colored preference area. Mina I remember photography ayizanga kum because ndandiyithanda. Mina ubaba wami wayimfama.
Okay.
Yeah. Nanja ifamily photography yethu. Ubaba wami eyimfama.
Yeah.
Yeah. Engaboni. I think ubaba wami started from kwaseKuruman originally.
Okay.
Yeah. Umama naye was Eastern Cape. Yeah. So Tina, we grew up very poor.
Yeah.
Ubaba wami ngesasikhathi he was getting a grand estate.
Okay.
A grand estate for abantu abamnyama was once after every 3 months.
Ish.
I remember it was in the region of about 8 pounds. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then later in the 70s, mandikhula, ubaba wami wayesamkela i-250 per second month.
Yeah.
250 rand. So I think my parents was blessed ngam. I used to really hustle around, but the try uyenza a living for abazali bam.
Yeah.
You know, the luckiest part is zange ndasela mina zange ndachai. Yeah, so everything ndandiyenze ekhaya. Remember what that na 5 disibisonga kwi-baker and I brought it home 5 years old. So it shows you dedication towards my family. So when I started working emsebenzini ndanisebenzela mina indawo yezicathulo. Izicathulo but emacaleni because abantu abamnyama bebengaqashwa isi-photographers eCape Town. Zazikhona i-photographers before mina. U-uncle wami wayithatha esasithombe wayisathe ngo-1968. So mina I had no clue nge-photography. So when I started photography kanibona abantu behamba endleleni njengomntana waselokishini. So nami ke ndayithatha iphotography ndahamba ndinokha ezindleni zabantu so that bona bakwazi unibhatala so ndikwazi uthenga isonka ndisupplement income ndinika abazali bami.
So ubaba ukusebenza kwaba yinto nje ayiqale esamncane kakhulu ngoba enzela ukuthi anakekele umndeni.
Yeah, but mina I think I dropped out with high school. And then ndawusebenza because ndibona uba hey kunzima la ekhaya. Sasiba yi-6. So mna I had to work so that abanye abantwana bakwazi ufunda. Bakwazi uqhubeka.
So wasidela baba ukuthi uqhubeke nalomsebenzi.
Dandisebenza during the week, Saturday, Sunday. Saturday andisebenza half day, but mandibuya emisebenzini I used to get a camera. Camera yami yoqala ndayifumana komnye umfana. Wandiboleka icamera yakhe. Wandiboleka wathi kayifuna back ndadlala that dark and driver ndamtshelela icamera yakhe ithe hey wayibhaqa kodwa mina ndithe ilahlekile lamfana wayibhaqa icamera yakhe. So I had to give his camera back, but ndazithengela icamera. My first camera ndayithenga intshontshiwe abanye abafana bentshontsha icamera ze-tourist ndathenga yona. So kabazisa la camera ndababonisa behemeni le camera ayisebenzi. Ndiyayicinezela ayivume and bayayibona bathi okay ke ndisinike noba yi-20 rand ndabanika that it will cost a lot of money
ukuthi uyilungise.
Bathe ke bathi nje ndayibeka ku-on biku-off. So
leso spirit sikababa singikhombisa mina ukuthi ngenkathi usemncane wawunayo leyo nto yokuthi ungaziyekeleli okuyiyona nto echaza ukuthi yingakho kwazile ukuthi egcineni ugcine umthwebuli wezithombe oduma umhlaba wonke. Wathatha izithombe neRoyal Family eLondon, wathatha izithombe noFidel Castro. Akekho umuntu esingambala owayedume kakhulukazi kwezepolitiki engathi mhlambe awukazi ube khona. Waya koRwanda, waya koKosovo, amanye amagama thina siwagcina kuma maps. Ungangixoxela nje mhlambe ukuhamba kwakho ubona umhlaba ngenxa nje yokushaya izithombe?
No, you see lesikhathi mina ndihlala ndiqala iphotography. Ndihlala eback. Ekhaya ndihlala ihhoki engenafestire. And so ke isithombe sami soqala andifuna ukwazi uba mina ndandingumfana othanda unxiba kakuhle. So mina ndisuka kumfana bengenasicathula ndisemncane. Kumfana ndathi kanemalana nje ndathengela izicathulo ndathengela isuti. So ke ndandithandwa ngamantombazana. So uthanda kwami amantombazana ndandishuta wona because bayabhatala. And eventually I've moved gradually. But then I started doing photography modeling nangokwami. Ngaba yi-modeler. But I was more interested in what's happening behind the camera njengawe. Yabona uya-actor but when you wanted to know more about. So i-horizon yami yaba. And then I wanted to go into fashion photography.
Okay.
Jeba ndansenza i-covers e-drum ne-Pace magazine. I used to do about page 3.
Yeah.
I mean the middle pages is a drum.
Le by double page.
Yeah, by double page. And that's as you are right through South Africa. Kalamantombazana mahle nakwi-covers. I remember i-drum had, I think it was about 84.
Yeah.
I-drum had one of my pictures in Center page.
Yeah.
Lo picture le yathola 10,000 letters in 1 week.
Wow.
Yeah, it was before
social media.
Social media. It was,
So hardcore.
It was hardcore letters. I remember the owner of drum, Jim Bailey. He called me and said, "Wow." But you know how much I got for that picture?
Yeah.
18 rand.
Yeah.
You must remember I was black before I was a photographer. So that is what they look at, irrespective amounts.
Yini mhlawumbe ongangitshela yona ngendaba yokuthi isimo sasinjani kuma photographers abantu abamnyama nakuma thwebuli beyithombe babantu abelungu isimo sokusebenza sasinjani ngalesi sikhathi?
It was tough mangumuntu omnyama. Because oqala photography is something that you have to come from rich families. Thina ke singabantu abamnyama asinayo i-generational wealth. So in most the photographers endadibana nazo ngamajuda. Let's say ke mina ke Cape Town zange ndasebenzela phepha. Yeah, I've never worked for a newspaper. I had to really hustle around. The money, I remember this year, my boy Patong, Emma Bisho, Emma Mbambai, what is this place at Durban? La lokishi yase Durban. Omlazi. Isuka la eKapa ndibamba itaxi. So yeah, so at Cape Town, photographers abantu abamnyama they were paid less. It was worse when you were a freelance photographer. You were paid less, asina salary, uthatha imali yakho yosebenza. And na ke ngesasikhathi na i-envelope yami ndanibuyisa ndiyinike umamam. Umamam ayithatha i-wages yami bayithandazele. Baniki 50% kule kweyami pay, and then kula 50% eyam kuthathwa i-10% ye-due yecawe ezeyazi ngosicawe kuthiwa i-10% yesalary. So ila 50 kweyami 50% kusaphuma nala 10% yecawe. So that is why I had to make other means, but being a black photographer, I guess it was very, very tough. Mina ke ngenxa yoba ndise Cape Town andihlala ngeJoburg. I mean, I was offered a lot of jobs in Joburg, but because utata mengaboni ndandisoyika ba if I leave here, so if I leave nizohlala eJoburg imali yami izotyiwa ngamantombazana. And ndilibale ubathumela.
Namhlanje kusenjalo isadliwa amayelobhoni imali.
No, mina funeka uyazi ba mina ndinomfana wami oyi-photographer is doing very well, uLeroy. uLeroy is doing very well. Usebenzela oma EFF and izolo elinye beyoshutela bebizwe yi-Kaizer Chiefs to go and shoot the new uniform. Ula eKapa ngoku, he was busy shooting la eKapa. But he's traveled, he's got 3 passports just last year because he traveled all over the world. And he shoots like abantu abakhulu.
Isiphi isithombe sakho sokuqala mkhulu esaduma kunazo zonke sakwenza ukuthi ube sebalazweni ngokushutha?
No, Aizo pictures zomzabalazo. Pictures ezamantombazana abo page 3. You won't believe it the way dansaziwa. I mean, I would go to Joburg. And for now, I guess as there was no TV. So abantu babendazi ngebyline. I remember i-drum invite ku-office yayo eJoburg. So ke bathumela udrivers on land. So la driver ndimlindela eMarket Theatre, ndimlindela khona uphuma iLove Street izondlanda i-drum i-offices zayo zazipha. So lo mfana lo uyagqitha kum and ndiyazibona ndiyazazi mos iikari ze-media ngesasikhathi. They were all driving like the same i-Toyota Corollas ezimhlophe. So la mfana kagqithe kum, agqithe lo mfana ndimbuze ndithi sorry ufuna bani? Ufuna ufani Jason? What? athi yo nguwe ufani Jason you ezithombe zakho baba.
Yeah.
I thought ulibhulu. There is a good gakhona.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So it was, this card was basically, because I used to shoot drum and I was really in demand.
Yeah.
But the money was like this.
Incane
Yeah,
ngenxa
it was,
yebanga
yeah.
Kunesithombe engisithandayo engangasibona sakho lawa ushuthe khona uBaba Mandela ephuma.
Yeah.
Imoto zakhe zase ziyajema. Ungixoxela istory ngaleso sithombe ukuthi abantu indlela ababebaningi ngayo wathuka utata. Ngitshele ngaleso sithombe ngoba neangle osishuthe ngayo angazi ukuthi awume kanjani.
No, what happened is I remember the day uMandela was released.
Yeah.
So, hey, ndivuke ekuseni mina. Yes, asikhathi Toyota Corolla. So, yeah, Victor Verster. I had to wake up about dine anxiety Mandela zange nambona.
Yeah.
So I want to see lo Mandela nathi kudala simlindele. Yeah. Iyafana no if you're a Christian uthi uYesu uyeza uze kuthi uYesu uzawufika uzaphuma Victor Verster namhlanje uzawuvuka nawe uyombona lo Yesu. Yeah, so ke ndaqonda hey ndavuka 6:00 ndileqana no Mandela manifika phana ndafika before uMandela efika. So in front of City Hall there was a scaffold right on top.
Yeah.
So ke ndathi kanifika nje I went right on top doma kwesa scaffold.
Yeah.
Ndakhwela phezulu. Mandisima pha everybody was there and esa scaffold yasibona basiyawa.
Yeah.
Bacho, please, can people get off there? Ndathi mina andisuki la. Because this is a very good angle.
Yeah.
So ke ndihleli phezulu. So uthe uMandela mayisiza. Then they got trapped in the middle of a crowd.
Yeah.
Yabona, it's not only Mandela that got trapped there. No Jesse Jackson bepake phana.
Yeah.
Wathi mayibuyele ekarini yakhe wafika ikari yakhe itshona iroof abantu bebezikwayo. So Mandela, it was the same. Mandela would tell you, he has never seen so many people in his life.
Yeah.
So to him it came as a shock.
Yeah.
Driver was worried that Mandela was going to get shot.
Yeah.
He was panicking. Driver. So then I watch it. I mean, I can told the storming in that way. Yeah.
Yini ongasitshela wena mhlambe ngokuthi ngoba ngiyakuzwa ukuthi usuriske impilo yakho kakhulu ngoba phela sasingayo scaffold mhlambe uwe kulimale neequipment.
Yeah.
Ngicela ungixoxele nje ngeigemegeme sezigezenzeka uriske impilo yakho ukuthi uthole nje le shot oyifunayo. Ngikhumbula ezinye zezithombo okangikhomisa zona wawuboshwa amaphoyisa kodwa bakhohle ukuthatha ikamera yakho.
Yeah, but I mean eyona risk and ayithathayo is utandise Bob. Ngoba eBhuthathwana ngoku kwakuko iAWB.
Yeah.
I remember mina ndisuka eCape Town ndibamba itaxi kwaLanga la eCape Town ndiya eJoburg. Manifika ndihamba ngetaxi 16 hours usuka la eJoburg was still 35 rand ngeso sikhathi.
Yeah.
Manifika phana ndibamba itaxi enye 4 hours ukuye eBob usuka eJoburg. So ke and the taxi ndisuka ngayo eCape Town overload.
Yeah.
So ndifika ndibambe enye itaxi ngoku ndifika eBob andikwazi I knew nobody. So hey andinamali I've got little money I can't afford to stay in a hotel. Yeah. Hey, lucky ndabona indlu yatsha about 12 o'clock unotaxi ngoku was panicking said hey baba kudala uhlezi la.
Yeah.
Uzawuhlaphi mina qonde I don't know where I'm going. Ndathi okay ke baba jonga kuyatsha pha inhlise lapho.
Yes.
So that was about ndifike phana about 1 a.m. in the morning. Dahliswa la mandifika phana ndibana nephotographers ezimbini ezamabhulu endizaziyo enye nguJoe de Silva enye nguKen Westernbrook lo wachona wasikitwa wadutyulwa eBob. Yeah. Ma ndacela kuye ba hey man athi you funny where the hell are you coming from nebusuku uyapi mina ndiphethe impahla zami zolala ndathi please man ndifuna indawo yolala man wathi funny hey anabhedi but if you don't man ungalala eflooring pha kum yathi hey mfowethu as long as I just put my head down okay ke ndalala kuye. So the next morning ndikhwela kube ekarini ngoku we are going around siyavuka sonke ndim ndodwa umuntu omnyama kule kari yabilungu. manje sithi hey sibone AWB yabona mna
Yeah.
yabona umuntu omnyama yayisurround la car, then they pull me out of the car bathi
Yeah.
ya wena kafire
Eish.
you are you taking photographs of her? Daddy, no bus. Mina ndisebenzela amabhasi. Yeah. Eza photographers.
Ohamba nabo.
Yeah, daddy no ndisebenzela amabhasi mina
Yeah.
andiyo photograph.
Yeah.
So bebendibamba ngegani enhloko befuna they threatened to shoot me.
Yeah.
So ke neza photographers acenga. So what they did, they took zonke eza films, eza photographers
Yeah.
zakhutshwa ngoku
Eish.
because they were a lot they arguisha. While they were arguing ngoku bafuna uza kweyami icamera ndathi no myubhasi seyithathile mina
Yeah.
ngidla bhasi.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ke ezazithombe zami zasinda and ndinewari but hey I hope I don't lose ezithombe because
Yes.
sometimes when you photographer
Yeah.
you care more about izithombe than your own life.
Yes,
Yabona, yeah.
yes,
And enye into the city bus kuba I just want to walk away there alive.
Yeah.
Ufuneke mawu kwi-situation enjeyana uyafana nenja funeka ufake your tail between your legs
As long tail as top.
so that you can walk out alive.
Yeah.
That's another thing that you had to pray for. You pray for two things. Izithombe zami zingathathwa
Impilo yami iphela.
nempilo yami isinde.
Baba, mhlambe sesizoyiphetha nje. Kunento engiyithandayo mangilo ngikuzwa ukhuluma. Umuntu owathi ebhekene nesimo wangafuna ukuhlala ugoqa izandla. Yini ungayitshela abantu abasha esikhathini samanje ngoba phela wena wasebenza ngesikhathi sobandlululo la kwakunzima khona kakhulu. Kodwa nabo abantu abasha baneyinselelo ababhekene nazo esikhathini samanje. Yini ongabatshela yona in terms of uku-adjusta i-attitude yabo ukuthi bangahlali bathi dere balindo 350 bakahulumeni? Yini abangayifunda kuwena ngokuthi awuzange uhlala ugoqa izandla kodwa walwa nesimo namhlanje waziba ibalazwe lonke?
Yeah, I mean, I will tell them the same as the dinabantwana bayi-3.
Yeah.
Intombi yami enye yenza i-PhD ku States.
Yeah.
Yayibhalela i-Mail Guardian isenza i-arts uStefan. Dinenye, and I always say bantwaneni bami, there's two things in life. I-reality. Don't go and become a professional student. Uthi at the end of the day, ubene paper, but you can't do nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because in paper it's not education is important.
Yeah.
But you must be able to sustain yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is very important. And nohlala phansi thina singabantu abamnyama. Abantwana bangoku okoqala, if you're an artist, you can't be materialistic.
Yeah.
If mina, you must remember I used to do paparazzi, and I used to like meet top stars. I used to sleep in my Hollywood. I mean, you must remember I did AIDS.
Okay.
Yeah. Just a quick one. Mandibuya, after Mandela's inauguration,
Yeah.
ndahamba ndaye Rwanda. Mandifike Rwanda, when I came back, I said to myself, no more dead bodies. Read my lips.
Yeah.
Because mandiphuma pha eRwanda,
Yeah.
I needed the plastic surgery to get a smile on my face.
Yeah.
It took me time. Intombi yami yayithanda ukuthi kum, Tata, but you never smiled, did you? Have you ever seen a portrait kaYesu esmile or Mona Lisa? I'm a tata Mona Lisa when I was Yesu.
Yeah.
But it's because of the trauma.
Yeah.
Because mandibuya eRwanda, eRwanda mandishuta phana, there was dead bodies lying. And I was shooting a mass grave. And ubona abantwana bana 8, 9. Befuna abazali babo phakathi kwesasitubu. Mina ndimile phana inyembezi zithi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I could only achieve ezo zinto bandithatha imali yami and invested into myself.
Yeah.
My children. But I couldn't. I was not umuntu with flashy cars. I've learned from Amajuda.
Yeah.
Amajuda, I've worked with a lot of photographers. I remember when I've been in Rwanda. Going to Rwanda kwenye hotel. I was the only black African photographer.
Yeah.
Pana. There was 12 of the world's top photographers. I was the only black.
Yeah.
Then go can figure pana. kukomnye umntana omhle owaseKenya oyidali.
Hey baba.
Mhle. So lo mntana naye she's all over me like white on rice yabona. So yathi kum yazi fani I communicate with myself yazi fani abelungu aba bavuka 4 o'clock bahambe baphume because kuse equator pha.
Yeah.
From aba bantu baqala at 5 o'clock mayithi langa nje light they're out shooting. Ngabo 11 the light is so strong you can't shoot bayabuya bayaphumla.
Yeah.
So ndithi mina fani uzawuthi ka ufuna uleqa lo mntana uzawusebenzisa ixesha lakho. At the end of all this abelungu kabawina i-awards uzawuthi because they are white.
Yeah.
Ulibale ba wena ulityeswa yicherry ulibaza ujonga icherry.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying to you have to work hard. You have to invest in yourself if you want to be successful. Awunothatha imali. You can't be an artist and want to flaunt it. Because thina bantu abamnyama we are consuming. Abelungu they are producing. That is why ungazange wambona uJeff Bezos or Elon Musk eposa ecangwe Lamborghini of nama China gold. Because bona they invest the money. They invest the money in themselves. Yeah. So zinto ezinjalo ke. Yabona? Yeah.
So uma ngabe umlalele kahle ubaba uthi kunama challenges ayebhekene nawo ngeinkathi zakhe kodwa akazange zanake ubumnandi bangaleso sikhathi wabheka ukuthi yena ufunani. Mhlawumbe umuntu omusha angabheka ukuthi yena yini njengoba si celebrate u30 years wenkululeko ukuthi yiziphi izinto eziyinselelo ezisayi apartheid yesimo abhekene naso ebese ubheka ukuthi yini isolution ebese udela ubumnandi bangaleso sikhathi ufune isixazululo sokuthi kusasa wena yini oyifunela yona wena. Baba sesoyivala
before sivale ufune kuzibuze ba ufuna ubaphi
nempilo.
Ufuna ubaphi ufuna uba yintoni ufuna uphumelela kanjani. Ufuna uzibuze ba in the long run yini oyifunayo.
Enye into engiyithandile baba ubalule ukuthi indodana yakho is one of the top photographers. Ngicela ukukhuluma nje ngokubaleka kwefatherhood. Ake sikhulume nje mhlambe nobaba manje. Ngiyayithanda indaba yokuthi si address ama issues obaba. Yini ongayitshela mhlambe a young person ongamazi ubaba wakhe or yini ongayitshela ubaba out there
ongabanakela abantwana
ngoba uma ngibheka indodana yakho yathanda iphotography ngoba ibona ubaba and he looked up to you. Yini ongayikhuluma nobaba yini ongayikhuluma nabantu abasha?
Mina mfowethu ndichate kabini twice. Dinabantwana abayi3. Into emandi yabona ndingabane ex-wife abantwana abengo-ex. So into it's very important for kawindoda ujonga abantwana bakho noba so unomnye umfazi abantwana bakho bafake phansi kwekhwapha lakhe and baza kurespect. Yabona last year although irrespective of that thing ndinomntana ose-London komnye ex-wife yami u-aunt wakhe ngoku ex-husband wanshiyela imali kwilifa lakhe kodwa ex-husband is because yambona la mama ba lo muntu uyabathanda abantwana bakhe. So it's very important abantwana bakho they will progress ekawubathanda. But la love lena ifuneka ibe unconditional.
No baba ngiyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho sengifunde olukhulu nami njengobaba njenge-professional also njengomuntu osebenza kakhulu kweze art. Uma ngithola imadlana engiyitholayo ngithenga equipment nginakekela umndeni ngizinakekele nami
nabantwana bakho.
Baba ngiyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho.
Ubonga mina mfowethu. Thank you very much.
So siyabonga kakhulu umbukele ekhaya sihlale nobaba la oyingqalabutho kakhulu kweze art othathi ama photography for over 50 years. Abanye beni babengakazala ngaleso sikhathi. So thank you so much baba for isikhathi.
Sure okay, thanks.